15 household uses for hydrogen peroxide that will transform your cleaning routine. Household cleaning hacks with hydrogen peroxide, the miracle solution sitting in your medicine cabinet. Stay with me until the end of this video. You'll discover essential information you never knew you needed. I still remember spilling red wine on my favorite white shirt at a dinner party. My friend handed me hydrogen peroxide from her bathroom. Skeptical but desperate, I dabbed it on the stain and watched in amazement as the red faded away. That moment changed my cleaning routine forever. That humble brown bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide costs less than $2, but performs cleaning miracles. According to Environmental Working Group researchers, it's safer than many commercial cleaners that contain harsh chemicals linked to health issues. What exactly is hydrogen peroxide? Hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, is water with an extra oxygen molecule, giving it powerful cleaning properties. According to the CDC, 3% hydrogen peroxide can kill bacteria, viruses, yeast, and fungi when used correctly. Now, let's dive into 15 brilliant uses. 1. Natural bathroom cleaner. Spray undiluted 3% hydrogen peroxide on bathroom surfaces. Let sit for 10 minutes, then wipe clean. Studies show it reduces bathroom bacteria by 94%. 2. Kitchen sponge revitalizer. Soak kitchen sponges for 15 minutes to kill 99.9% of harmful germs lurking in your sponges. 3. Cutting board sanitizers. Spray on cutting boards after washing to eliminate remaining bacteria and reduce cross-contamination risk. 4. Fruit and vegetable wash. Add cup to a sink of cold water to remove pesticides and bacteria from produce. Rinse thoroughly afterward. 5. Laundry brightener. Add 1 cup to white loads instead of bleach. It whitens without weakening fabric fibers or causing yellowing. 6. Carpet stain remover. For fresh stains on light-colored carpets, spray directly. Let sit for 10 minutes, then blot. Always test on an inconspicuous area first. 7. Grout cleaner. Make a paste with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Apply to grout lines with an old toothbrush. Wait 10 minutes, then rinse. This outperforms commercial cleaners, costing 5 times more. 8. Dishwasher cleaner. Run an empty cycle with 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide to disinfect and remove mineral buildup. Do this monthly to extend your dishwasher's lifespan. 9. Garbage can deodorizer. Spray inside smelly garbage cans to kill odor-causing bacteria. Let dry completely before adding a new bag. 10. Mirror and glass cleaner. Mix equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water for streak-free mirrors and windows. It removes fingerprints and grime more effectively than many commercial cleaners. 11. Toilet bowl cleaner. Pour cup into your toilet bowl. Let sit for 20 minutes, then scrub. It removes stains without harsh chemicals that damage septic systems. 12. Plant care helper. Mix 1 tablespoon with 1 cup water to treat plant fungus and add oxygen to soil. Studies show this improves plant root health by up to 32%. 13. Humidifier cleaner. Clean your humidifier with diluted hydrogen peroxide to prevent mold growth that can cause respiratory issues. 14. Shoe deodorizer. Spray inside smelly shoes, let sit for a few hours, then allow to dry completely. This eliminates most odor-causing bacteria. 15. Shower curtain mold remover. Spray directly on shower curtain mold. Wait 10 minutes, then rinse. For stubborn mold, soak the curtain in a bathtub with warm water and 1 cup hydrogen peroxide before washing. Important safety notes. Never mix hydrogen peroxide with vinegar, as this creates parasitic acid, which can be harmful. Store in its original dark bottle as light breaks it down. Keep away from children. According to Mayo Clinic dermatologists, 3% hydrogen peroxide is generally safe for household use, but can irritate skin with prolonged contact. Wear gloves when using for extended cleaning. One $2 bottle replaces dozens of expensive specialty cleaners, while being safer for your family and the environment. It breaks down into just water and oxygen, making it environmentally friendly. I've personally saved hundreds of dollars annually by switching most of my cleaning routine to hydrogen peroxide. My home is cleaner, we've experienced fewer allergy symptoms, and I've reduced plastic waste significantly. Try these hydrogen peroxide hacks and see the difference. Your home, wallet, and planet will thank you. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it. What's your favorite hydrogen peroxide hack? Comment below. Remember, sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones hiding in plain sight. Until next time, happy cleaning!